Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about how to use Lendio's loan calculator. Now, Lendio's loan calculator helps you to estimate repayment terms before applying. Here's how to use it step by step. First, go to Lendio's website and locate the loan calculator on the resources or tools menu. Then select the type of loan that you're interested in, such as SBA loans, line of credit, or equipment financing. Next, enter the loan amount that you're considering, and then input the expected interest rates. You can use an estimated range if you don't know your rates yet. Next is to choose the repayment terms in months or years, and once that's done, click Calculate to generate estimated monthly payments, as well as total repayment amounts and interest paid. You can adjust the loan amounts, rates, or terms to compare scenarios side by side, and be sure to save or screenshot the results for future reference when discussing with lenders. A quick tip for using this calculator: be sure to use realistic numbers. Your credit score and financials will affect the actual rates that you're applying for. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.